sound. Sound. Okay, the sound seems to be okay. Good morning, everyone. It's a new week, Monday morning. Let's see what Bitcoin is doing. Let's start from the weekly, as usual. The weekly is quite bearish. The weekly is we got rejected from this consolidation, I would say, and the bad thing is that momentum is still hasn't gone through the zero line, so there is a high chance that momentum will stay in this half, which means that Bitcoin will. It's not the bottom for Bitcoin. Let's see where we get to. I'm accumulating at these prices. I think these prices are good for accumulation. Of course, we can go to 14k, 13k, 12k, who knows. And I'll be accumulating also there. So yeah, that's on the weekly. Really bearish. Money flow is continues down, continues to go down without any signs of going up. On the daily, actually, the money flow is better because it seems to be going up on the daily. This might be the last dump on the daily, not on the weekly, because even if we start recovering on the daily, we have to make sure that the weekly corresponds and agrees. If we lose this money flow and we start going down like that, so if we lose that and start going down like that, it would be really bearish for Bitcoin. We can go even to, I don't know, even to 10k if this is if this happens. Yeah, so that's the daily. Let's see the lower time frames. Again, very deep momentum to the downside, very deep. It was minus 92. This is there is a little bit of divergence here on minus 70 something, bullish divergence with price getting lower, and here the momentum is actually higher, but the money flow is really very bad, looking very bad. So we might go lower. Don't catch a falling knife. That's what I would. That's my advice. Don't catch a falling knife. Wow, the money flow is minus 53 here on 3 hour. And yes, we have a little bit of bullish divergence. VWAP seems to be starting to go up, but we have to see if this wave of money flow is finally starting to diminish and to go up. 1 hour. 1 hour looks better because on the money flow we have this bullish divergence. So we yeah, right here we have this wave, and even momentum is higher. So there is hope. There is bullish divergence. At some point, I am buying at these levels because at some point we will recover, at least go sideways. Maybe it's good idea to place a long. I'll see the lower time frames. So okay, 30-minute. 15-minute, yes, 1, 2, 3 yellow axis divergence on the momentum. Yeah, I think this setup is good for a long. Let's see the other time frames, but I might be jumping on this one. So it's 16k. There is a chance, of course, we go down lower to this 14.5, but also we might be retesting the Tenkan-sen, or at least this Tenkan-sen at 18.5. So yeah, maybe a little bit more patience on the higher time frames, because the daily is definitely looking like it might break this this support at 15.8. Okay, let's see the other time frames, sorry, the other charts. So we are near support 2 S2 at 18.8, as I said, 15.8, sorry. I think there is a chance that we go to 16.5 to retest the pivot. Let me see what is happening here. Here the pivot is even higher. I may be able to attempt a long, to be honest. And we're just retesting and going past this trend line. I think this trend line might hold, because we see those divergences, those bullish divergences coming in the market cipher. So I would say also the volume delta seems to be going up. Hasn't broken this wall. Let's see what is happening on the Google Trends. Yes, so I think we have bottomed here and we are definitely going up on the interest. Wow, huge upside. Actually we hit 100. This is on the 90 day. This is on the 90 day. So yeah, everything is possible. I mean, this might be the bottom, guys and girls. This might be the bottom. I want to see confirmation. So it seems we're going to 40 here. Big jump in the interest, and yeah, the price is going lower. Let me see also this indicator here that I have opened. Yeah, right now it's a little bit bearish, but I think we will be recovering soon, and I will be placing a long. I will place a long. And also I will place a long here. Because yeah. Okay. Let me have a target on this one in case I have work, and my target would be 16.4. 16, let's see, 16.4. 16.4. Yeah, I think 16.4 is a good target. I don't want to be too greedy. Like 58% is good enough for me. 16.4. and position margin liquidation is 5 to 50. Okay, yeah, let's see what happens. So this is it from my side. I'm placing a small scalp because of the divergences that I see on the 15 minute, and also on the 30 minute we have this beautiful divergence, momentum, even a little bit on the money flow. 45 minute, I think this view up is going up. Only the money flow is the question. If we start, we might go down even more. So nothing. I don't have a crystal ball, but I think the chances, the probability that we go up right now from here is big probability for the time being. Remember, it's only a scalp. Once I take my profit, take profit, I'm out. So have a good Monday. Bye bye.